Hello everyone. In this video we will see what is Microsoft Power Apps. This video is part of our free Microsoft Power Platform tutorials for beginners video series, which is a series of 9 videos where we will cover in nutshell what is Power Platform and its associated components in each of these individual videos. So as far as this video is concerned, we will see what is Microsoft Power Apps. So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Abhishek Doria and you are watching Dynamics Academy YouTube channel. So let's get started. Subscribe to Dynamics Academy and press the bell icon on your YouTube app to never miss a video from Dynamics Academy. So let us now first of all understand what is Microsoft Power Apps. Power Apps is a low-code approach to custom app development, allowing users to quickly create apps with a point-and-click approach. That means you do not need to be a hardcore professional developers, or you do not need to know the coding skills or related technologies in order to start building apps. It is a low-code, no-code approach of Microsoft to allow non-developers or non-coders community to start applying their thought process and start building new mobile app with simple drag and drop or a point and click approach. Along with that, you can build mobile friendly apps quickly and without development knowledge, and reducing the pressure on busy IT teams. So it helps not only the non-developers community or non-IT team start building apps, but it will eventually reduce the burden and pressure on the IT team, or which can pay attention to the major or the most important items or deliverables. Along with that, you can connect to and surface data from your business applications such as Dynamics 365 and Office 365. And not only this, you can always connect to multiple data sources from third-party apps with the help of connectors. You can also surface key data into a user-friendly app to help data entry, meaning users only see the information that they need to fulfill on one particular task. And lastly, but not least, you can build app in hours, not in months, and that too which easily connects to data, use Excel-like expressions to add logic, and run on the web, iOS and Android devices. So do not need to worry about the platform on which you are building the application. You just need to apply your logic, which are easy to implement. Like if you have used Excel in past, then you will be able to develop an app and apply that logic, and that application will be once built and deployed, it can run on any of the platform, be it Android, iOS or web applications as well. So instead of using an off-the-shelf application that only meets the part of our needs, or building a custom app that is expensive and time-consuming, Power Apps makes it easy to create just with what you need at that point in time. So that is one of the greatest advantage of Microsoft Power Apps, and not only Microsoft Power Apps, but that also holds true for all the applications of Microsoft Power Platform as a whole. So having seen that, let us now see the benefits and usability points of Power Apps in detail. You can consider Microsoft Power Apps as a platform which allows users to create and deploy tailored applications that can be used on desktop and mobile devices like iOS, Android or Windows. As I said earlier, both developers and non-developers can create apps within Power Apps, and it works in a no-code environment very easily. However, more technical users are able to extend capabilities by using Azure Functions to create custom connectors and integrated solutions. So that flexibility is always there, that more advanced developer or hardcore developers will always have flexibility to add more customizations and able to use Azure Functions, or they can even create custom connectors to provide integrated solutions. The applications created within Power Apps can be used for a whole variety of functions to help you streamline your business processes, and allows users who are away from the desk environment to work on the go from a completely customized user interface. Same time, you can create apps for any purpose, such as simple contact list, a mobile surveying app, or an expense processing app. There is so much possibility for what can be created. Data from the CDS, which is Common Data Service, can be seamlessly connected, as well as data from 200 plus different additional connectors that are available, ensuring your applications displays the data that you need. These were the key most important aspects of Microsoft Power Apps. That is all about a brief introduction about Microsoft Power Apps. In next video, we are going to cover what is Power Automate, Having said that, I thank you for watching this video, and I'm sure that you must have learned something new out of this video. If you still have any doubts or queries, then please feel free to post them in the comment box. On that note, once again, I thank you for watching this video till the end. So if you have learned something new out of this video, then please like, share and subscribe to Dynamics Academy. And also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update whenever we release a new video to our Dynamics Academy YouTube channel.